In this video I will show you how to upload photos in Google Drive and share link. First things first, open any web browser of your choice. Once the browser is open, navigate to drive.google.com. If you're not already signed in, click on the Sign In button at the top right corner of the page. Enter your Google account credentials and log into your Google Drive account. Now that you're logged in, you'll see the familiar Google Drive interface. To start uploading photos, look for the New button located at the top left corner of the screen. Click on it. From the drop-down menu that appears, select File Upload. This action will open up your File Explorer window. Navigate through your folders until you find where your photos are saved on your desktop or laptop. Once you've found the photo you wish to upload, double-click on it. You'll notice an upload progress indicator appearing in the bottom right corner of your screen. Wait for this process to complete. Once your photo has been successfully uploaded, it's time to share it with others. Find your newly uploaded photo in your list of files within Google Drive. Right-click on that photo. A context menu will pop up, hover over Share, then click on Share. Here's where you can adjust who can access this photo. By default, it may be set to restricted, meaning only people added explicitly can view it. Click on Restricted, and change this setting to anyone with the link if you want broader access. Additionally, there are options regarding what people can do with this link. By default, anyone with access can only view and download. If desired, change their role by selecting either commenter, allowing them to leave comments without editing, or editor, granting them full editing capabilities based on what you need. Next up, click on Copy Link. This action copies the shareable link directly to your clipboard. Finally, click Done once you're finished adjusting settings. Now that you've copied your link, feel free to send this link via email or any messaging platform. Anyone who receives this link will be able to view and download your photo based on permissions set earlier, easy peasy. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching, and have a good day.